Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sunny Vibes. In this video I will show you friends how you can earn money using Linux platform. If you are your Linux user, then how you can make money online. So first of all I will provide you the link in the description. That's Telegram bot, and that's not a scam. It is paying consistently to its users. You can see my dashboard. This is called Pay to Profit, and actually here you share your internet on the internet time to the company, and in response they provide you money. In that way you can earn money online. So yes, you can see here, uh, you have to just download their application using Linux program, if you have Linux installed system, Mac operating system like that, and if you have Android, so you can make money using this platform for free. And let me show you the menu like this. You can see here, if you click on the menu, let's click balance, it will show my, you can see you earned on referrals, because I am not using any latest software, using my own for my own, because I don't have Linux system right now. So those users who have Linux installed on their system, and they always research on internet that how you can make money online, then that's video is for you. So you have to just show main menu, click on that, and you can see the different options like the connected devices, that how many devices you have connected to this platform. You can refer your friends to make money more as well, and you can order a payout. You can download the app. If you click on the download app, you can see there is a link like Android APK, App Gallery, and Mac OS. You can see here Mac operating system. So this system is not supported on Windows. So I just asked for the support staff that when will it will be available. So they are not sure about that. So just you have to friends click on the options to install it, and if you have Linux system, and when if you click on the order of payout, let me show you what is the minimum requirement for this platform to get payments, and which gateways actually it provides you payment through different crypto options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, like that kind of options. So but have different minimum payout range. Like Bitcoin is providing around $300 and $10 for Ethereum, like $2 for Matic coin. So there are different options. So I think it is taking some time. Once it loaded, I can show you how does it look like. So yeah, you can see a blue line showing below. Yes, and just you have to be sure that your wallet address you are providing for the payments is not wrong. Anything else, just copy correctly accordingly, so you can get your payments at a time without any issues. Don't know why it is taking so many time. Might be server is very slow. Yes, here it is. You can see here you have earned on creating box 0, and you have earned big reference 1.95. So total is just like that. For order payment you can choose different country, because I'm from Pakistan, so I'm using that option. You can choose anything from here if you belong to any country, like the list provided here. So you can see Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron and Matic. Liquidity wallets they are provided with Binance, Coinbase, Electrum, and Trust Wallet. So there is my payout history. You can see here USDT and Matic and TRX. I have received these are payments. You can see amount in the USD with the wallet address, and you can see here the number of coins, and you can see the status when it was created. Everything you can see here. Last time I just received 2.16, and and also received $15 as well. So there are so many. You can see I am the most number of, you can see I have received $29 as well from this platform. So you can see here the traffic. So friends, make sure you hit the like button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest videos and updates. So I will provide you the link in the description. Thank you for watching. and stay blessed. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.